Adoption is one of the most rewarding ways to grow a family. But in Arizona, the process can feel complicated if you're not sure where to begin. First, determine your eligibility. Arizona law allows both single individuals and married couples to adopt, as long as you meet the basic requirements for age, residency, and background checks. Next, choose the type of adoption that's right for you. Options include private, agency, step-parent, or foster to adopt, each with its own process and timeline. Once you've chosen your path, the home study process begins. This includes interviews, background checks, and home visits. After approval, your attorney will guide you through filing, court hearings, and finalization. When the judge signs the final order, your adoption is complete, and your family's new chapter officially begins. At the Valley Law Group, we help Arizona families navigate adoption with clarity and care, every step of the way. Download our free adoption guide to learn more about your options and how to get started.
The Valley Law Group.